Alright boys, so we're headed over or down or whatever over to Michigan to pick up a set of wheels. As you can see by the title, my screen's messed up, this damn lens is messed up, but yeah, we're going down to Michigan or over to Michigan to pick up some wheels. So I'm not sure what I'm going to title the video, probably the name of the wheels, but I'm going to go down and see how they are. They're super cheap, but unfortunately they have some damage. Two of the lips are bent, which I'm not too worried about because I know a lot of people that have the lips that I could get replacement set from without having to buy new. But see that little Porsche over there? It looks very nice with the little livery on it. But yeah, we're just gonna take a hike down there. I just got done putting some gas in. The ride's probably about 2 hours, so 2 hours there, 2 hours back. It's like 6:40 right now, so I gotta drive back to work. Or drive back home, drop the tires off, load my tools back up, and then drive another hour back to work because I have to work today, unfortunately. So, but yeah, let's get down there real quick. I mean, as quick as we can, and hopefully the wheels are coming out dope. Super excited for what I'm getting for them though, and I'll just cover that at the end when I pick them up, and then I'll show you them and all that good stuff. So,
one eternity later.
Alright boys, don't mind the camera angle, just kind of sitting on the dash on top of my bag rider's beanie, but as you can see right here, maybe, right there, bag secured. So we got the wheels. I'll show you guys what they look like once I get back to Fort Wayne. Got about a 2 hour drive, 2 hours and 10 minutes. When we take the two that have the tires on them, because we're taking up my entire trunk because the freaking tires are huge. Obviously they're Corvette fitment, so the tires are like 255s or something like that. So huge tires. The tires don't really look too bad, but I don't really have any use for them like whatsoever. So I'm just gonna have Sam take them off today and then throw the tires away. And I'm gonna give him like 25 bucks or whatever for taking them off. And yeah. So yeah, we're gonna drive back home real quick, and I'll show you what they look like here. And I was definitely super tired driving when I first started, and it was really sunny. Now it's like super cloudy. So I was excited when I was coming down here. Now it's cloudy as hell. Like I said, two of the lips are bent on this, so I'll have to get two from the homie, and we'll get those sometime. I'm not really sure when I'm gonna do that or when I'm gonna even post this video. But this guy's lost. He's like driving around the gas station in his truck. He don't know where he's going. But yeah, I met Lucas. I just looked on Facebook randomly because I was talking to my friend. I was like, man, I want the other set of Epsilons, and then I was like, well, let me just randomly check Facebook, and then I found these for super cheap. So I was like, bro, I gotta get those. I'm just gonna sell my other set of salad shooters, and that's gonna go basically, I'll probably just use that money to basically buy the new lips, or the used lips, and then we'll be rebuilding these. I'm not sure on a color yet because it's not gonna be going specifically for my car right now. But yeah, I got a few more things I'm gonna do today, and then I'll show you guys what they look like when I get back to storage, or I'll wait until Sam gets them off, and then I'll show you what they look like in the condition and all that stuff. So yeah, let's get out of here. Alright boys, and here they are in their original condition. Like I said, two lips are bent. This is one of them. I threw my old center caps for my other Epsilons, which are back behind the thing over there, but I used the caps just to throw them in there so they weren't empty, because they didn't have any caps on them. They just had these little rings which used to hold the caps for the Corvette wheels, because like I said, these wheels are Corvette spec. So I believe, I'll have to turn over the face, I couldn't really read it, but I'm pretty sure these are 16 by 9 or 16 by 9.5. It's either ET33 or ET32. My other mesh wheels, which are also Corvette fitment, were ET27, so these are a little bit more positive or whatever. So but yeah, 3-inch lips. These are the 628 lips. Not sure what the barrels are. As you can see, there's two different variants of the barrel. There's this barrel and then those barrels, which I'm not sure if it's for like the big calipers in the front. I guess that might be possibly it. But yeah, as far as the condition on them, this one hasn't been broken apart, it just needs a new lip, so I gotta take that off. But here's this one. The paint's just faded basically, but nothing wrong with it. This one only has a little bit of curb rash, nothing I can't fix on the lips. Same lips as the other ones that I have, 3-inch lips as well. And then this is the one that's the most messed up, which is pretty much why I got them cheap, because they were obviously damaged. But yeah, there's all of them. Definitely worth the ride, I think. Overall cost, I paid $380 for them. And then I got a buyer for these other salad shooters for about $125. So basically, I'm only in at like $250, $260 for the set of wheels. And then after I sell the other salad shooters, I'm gonna use that money to buy a used pair of lips that are better than these, obviously, and get them finished up. But as far as what I'm gonna do with these wheels, I'm not gonna really do anything with them right now. This one's already taken apart. Hold on. Get the face out. I've never had these, obviously, and I always thought they were cool, but just want to take off the face. You can look at the little stuff back here. PCD, like I said, it's 5x120.56, so you can use 5x120 wheels, obviously. Made in Japan. Has the old Southern Ways logo right here with the SW. I think I'm gonna do the center caps with that. Obviously made in Japan. And you can't see because they didn't really stamp these very well, but they're 9.5J, just like my other wheels. So yeah, I think this is a super nice set for the price I paid, basically being no money at all. My friend asked me if these were Gottis, and these pretty much are a close look to the Gottis. So if you didn't actually know what they were, you would think that they're Gottis if you knew what Gottis were. But yeah, all 3 of these wheels haven't been taken apart, so the original silicone and all that stuff, original hardware. I do have the hardware for this one in a bag. If you guys don't know, the inner washer right here, you can't buy on the market right now at all, unless you got them custom made, because they don't sell them out of the box or whatever for this outer diameter, which I found out when I was trying to do my other Epsilons, the meshes that go on this car. But yeah, I just bought these because I always thought they were cool, and seeing them in person, I definitely like them a lot more. But yeah, I'm unsure on what color it's going to be. We are going to be refinishing them this year sometime, so I'm not really sure. Kind of pondering a few different ideas, like fully polished, polished lip, polished faces with like different color hardware. Not sure what else I could do. Maybe obviously they look good in gold, but I don't really want to do gold because I already have gold. For this car, so I want to have it on another E30, having the same kind of gold thing or whatever. But just want to do this short little video of picking these wheels up. Since I did one for the first one, I figured I might as well do one of these, because there's really not any videos on these specific Epsilons really on YouTube right now, especially not any rebuild series. So but yeah, I'm gonna take some pictures for Instagram real quick, and then post them up. And then, like I said, I'm gonna do a video after this. I'm gonna do like a little overview of the wheel itself, like I did for my first set of Epsilons, since there's literally no videos like that of these wheels. So just want to kind of get it out there for people that don't know about the wheels, or people that do know about the wheels that want a set or whatever. I'm pretty sure all these are all 5-lug. I don't think there's any 4-lug variant, obviously, because of the design. So yeah, definitely excited to have these, and stay tuned for what's gonna be coming on the rebuild. I still have another set of wheels, which are down there behind the drum, so you can see the barrels right there. See right there. I got a set of BBS RS that I have to freaking finish still. So, but for this price, I literally couldn't do it. It took me 4 hours of driving and like 300 miles, but it's definitely worth it for the price I paid. And like I said, once I sell the other wheels, I'll have enough to grab 2 new, or new to me, 628 lips, and then get them repolished up. And yeah, let me take some photos for Instagram real quick, and I'll be sure to link the other video of me talking about the wheel specifically for a separate episode. But thanks for watching, and peace.